Hi everyone, welcome back to Study Adda. In today's video, we are diving into the world of academic referencing. If you are a student or a researcher, you know how important it is to cite your sources correctly. Are you still tensed about APA 7 or Kaplan referencing? Today I will show you how to make APA 7 or Kaplan Harvard references effortlessly using Zotero. So let's get started. So what exactly is Zotero? Zotero is a free open source reference management tool that helps you to collect, organize and cite your research sources. It's a lifesaver for anyone writing paper, theses or articles. But before using Zotero for APA 7 and Kaplan referencing, one needs to know how Kaplan Harvard referencing is different and how to use Zotero. I have already made a detailed video on use of Zotero as referencing software. Details of APA 7 and Kaplan Harvard referencing styles. Links are given here. Select Zotero app and open. In Word document, select Document Preferences. As you select Document Preferences, Style of References will open. You need to select your preferred style of referencing. For APA 7, choose APA 7th edition and click on OK. To insert a citation, click Add or Edit Citation. Choose your reference and Zotero will automatically format it in APA style. And that's it. You have learned how to use Zotero to create APA references quickly and efficiently. Similarly, you can choose other referencing styles from Harvard to Vancouver and Chicago. However, there are certain referencing styles such as Kaplan, BPP Harvard or UNISA Harvard which are not found in Zotero document preference list. Now let us see how to do the reference styles which are not there in the document preference list or Zotero library. Let us see how to do Kaplan. First select Manage Styles from Document Preferences in Zotero and click on OK. A page like this with your existing styles will open. Click on Get Additional Styles and select OK. As you see, 10,475 styles are present in Zotero. There is a search option. First search for your desired style of reference like Harvard, APA, many more. You may try Kaplan referencing, UNISA, but will see no such style is registered on Zotero. But what if your desired style such as BPP or Kaplan Harvard is not present? Then you need to click on each reference style and check the style which is nearly similar or completely same to the search reference style. After several searches for Kaplan Harvard reference style, I found that the University of Sydney Harvard style matches with Kaplan style of reference and indexing to the max. As you can see, I have highlighted the areas where Kaplan is different from others in previous video, such as VOL volume number, use of %, and the punctuations. In case of the University of Sydney Harvard style, it is the same. Thus, choosing the University of Sydney Harvard style would help you to adhering to the Kaplan Harvard style of referencing. However, there is a small difference. As per Kaplan 2020 guidelines, the word retrieved is used instead of viewed. Hence, after adding the reference list, if the student or the writer is following old 2020 guidelines of Kaplan, then the word viewed should be manually replaced by retrieved. Nonetheless, if 2023 Kaplan guidelines is followed, then no changes in reference list is required as viewed is used as per new update. To add bibliography or references, click on Add or Edit Bibliography. You can also add or remove citations using the Add or Edit Citation option and the changes in the bibliography will be made automatically. Now summarizing the entire process to efficiently manage and cite literature for APA and Kaplan Harvard styles using Zotero. Let us first generate an APA reference list. Select the document preferences. A window will pop up where you can select your preference style as APA. Select on APA 7th edition and click on OK. To insert citation, click on Add or Edit Citation, choose your reference. Zotero will automatically format it in APA style. And that's it. You have now learned how to use Zotero to create APA references quickly and efficiently. But what if your desired style such as BPP or Kaplan Harvard isn't present, which I have already discussed? So you will need to click on each reference style and check for the one that is nearly or completely same. And after several searches, I found that the University of Sydney reference style matches the Kaplan Harvard style of referencing. I searched for Kaplan and I did not find that in the Zotero library. So I searched for Harvard and tried selecting the one which is similar to Kaplan style. How is Kaplan style different? As I mentioned before, Kaplan style is quite different because it consists of certain terms like VOL dot, NO dot and ampersand, and there is a difference in punctuation marks as well, which makes it different from other styles of Harvard. If you check the University of Sydney Harvard style, you will see that it matches to the Kaplan Harvard style of referencing. To add a bibliography or references, click on Add or Edit Bibliography. You can also add and remove citations using Add or Edit Bibliography options. As you can see here, there is a small difference with Kaplan Harvard referencing. As per 2020 guidelines, the word retrieved is used instead of viewed. After adding your reference list, if you are following 2020 guidelines, you should manually replace the word viewed with retrieved. However, if you are following 2023 guidelines, no changes are needed as viewed is now used as the standard term. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Study Adda for more tips and tutorials. If you have any question regarding Kaplan, APA or any other referencing styles, feel free to post your queries. Thanks for watching and happy citing!